Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing good, great in your life. This is your messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other? I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general energy update, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. Please help me out, guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Okay. What are the messages from the divine masculine? You pamper me like your baby. So your divine masculine wants to say you that you pamper them like a baby. Okay. You are my best friend. You give me enough space. So divine masculine wants to tell you that you have given them enough space, and they want to connect you in 5D. Please connect me in 5D. So this is the message which is there. This is the message which I usually get when I do the energy check here. Please connect me in 5D. So your divine masculine wants to connect in 5D. Let me see more messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay. I know that we are meant to be together. Okay, so they know, the divine masculine, they know that you both are going to be together. Okay, they are going through a dark night of a soul. Okay, divine masculines are going through a dark night of a soul. They are feeling lost and confused. Okay, so they are going through a dark night of a soul, but they are telling you that I'm going within so that I can understand myself. Okay, so divine masculine are going within so that they can understand themselves. Okay, that is why, because they're going through a dark night of a soul. Okay, any other message? I am healing my inner child. Beautiful, beautiful. They are healing their inner child. They are working on this, on themselves. They are going within their own self so that they can understand themselves. There is no one else like you who touches my soul. So you are the only one, divine feminines, who has touched their souls. There is no one else. Any other message from the divine masculine? I feel so much joy with you. It's like I'm a kid again. See, the same message is here. You pamper me like a baby. I feel so much joy with you. It's like they are missing you because you pamper them like a baby. Okay, divine feminines, and they are missing that thing because they love this quality of you. Okay, I feel so much joy when with you because you make them a kid again. You pamper them like a baby, so they feel like a kid again, and that's what the thing they are missing about you. Facing you means that I have to face myself. I have been watching you from a distance. So they are watching you from a distance. Okay, they are watching you from a distance. That is the message here. This just fly out. Okay, I am finding my way back to you. So they are finding the way how they can get back to you. Okay, divine feminines, they are working on themselves. They are healing their inner child. Okay, and they are watching you. Okay, they are watching you from a distance. and facing you means that they have to face themselves. They know that. Okay, so these are the messages from the Divine Masculine. Beautiful messages. 1 minute. Let me see what are the messages from the tarot. What are the messages for the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine for this reading? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for this reading? Give me the messages. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? See, bottom of the deck, I'm having Divine Masculine here. They are going through transformation here. Before that, they were having a toxicity here. The devil energy is here. So now they are getting, they were having toxicity in their life. Some kind of toxicity was there, but now they are getting transformed here. Transformation is taking place for them. Okay, Divine Feminines, transformation is always beautiful. There was some kind of addictions or temptations in which your Divine Masculine was there. Okay, but now they're getting transformation here, and now they're becoming the Divine Masculine here. There is a union. You both are getting close to each other. So there is a union which is going to happen. There is faith. Have faith over fear. Okay, step into your power to create change. Have faith over fear, because there is a union which is coming for you. There is a new beginnings which are coming for you. Okay, Divine Feminines, so these are the things. So there was some kind of toxicity which was attached to with this person, but now they are avoiding that. They are avoiding that temptations or addictions, and they are getting transformed, okay, into the Divine Masculine. So let's see. There is a sudden wealth which is going to happen in your life. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? What are the messages for this reading? Your pathway is uplifted here. Can you see a lot of butterflies is here? You are ascending basically. Okay, so the pathway is getting ascended here. They are getting ascended because transformation is taking place. You have to make a family room is here. So that means you have to make room for new things, the new beginnings, because here I'm having marriage card. Beautiful. I told you union is going to happen for many of you. You both are getting closure, because they are getting transformed and they're becoming the Divine Masculine here. So maybe you will receive a marriage proposal from them. New beginnings, new doors are opening for you. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the angels. Okay, let me see what are the messages. Major shift. Major shift is coming for you. Okay, Divine Masculine or the Feminine, whoever is watching. Angels indicate that you are at the junction in life where you need to be decisive, as there will be a major shift in life. Pray to the angels to give you strength and help you go through this phase gracefully. So some major shifts are coming for you. Beautiful. Any other message for this reading? Alternative medicines. Angels wants you to treat your ailment with alternative medicine therapy like bag, flower, acupuncture, reiki, etc. So whatever you are going through right now, maybe in life, that wants to come out. Okay, you can use any other things, like you can do your reiki healing, you can do acupuncture, okay, acupressure, badge flower. You can use alternative medicines in your life. There is code of attachments here. Pray to Archangel Michael and request him to cut the codes of attachment that binds you to person, situation and addictions. Replace these codes with love and light. Okay, so you have to cut the codes if you're having any code of attachments or addictions or any kind of situation. See, because here I was having devil energy, so either you are dealing with some kind of toxicity in your life, so call to the Archangel Michael, who will cut the codes with the love and light. There is angels with connecting with angels here. Angels are trying to communicate with you through signs and symbols. Acknowledge their presence, pay heed to the angelic signs and the subliminal messages. Maybe you can looking number synchronicities, or because angels are trying to communicate with you. Okay, there is twin flame card which wants to come out here. So Archangel Chamuel will bring you closer to your twin flame. Together the both of you will be more powerful than work on your life purpose. You are here with your twin flame journey, on your twin flame journey, because you are having a life purpose, a soul purpose. Okay, you both are having it. So here they are bringing your twin flame more closer, so that you can both work on your twin flame here. So these are the messages. This is very beautiful messages, I can say that. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what is the action divine masculine wants to take, okay, towards divine feminine. What are the actions divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminine? Help me out to deliver what actions they want to take. What action does divine masculine wants to take? Wow, they are okay. What actions? They were unable to make a decision in the past here, okay, but now they are going through a lot of things. Oh my god, bottom of the deck I'm having the lovers here, see, and here this is 6 of 1 minute. Okay, this is 2 of swords and this is 10 of swords. So they are going through with a lot of things in life. See, they were going through dark night of a soul. They told you that they're going through a lot of the backstabbing, heartbreaks. Maybe they are dealing with karmic, so that they have put all the swords in their back, and now the wheel of fortune is moving in the favor here in your case, and they are going to give you a stable committed offer. They want to give you a stability, a stable committed offer, a commitment here with the ace of pentacle here. There is lovers, there is 6 of pentacle, equal amount of give and take, and there is 3 of wands, and there is perspective, high priestess. Yeah, right. They are, they are taking steps towards you. They are planning to give you equal amount of give and take here. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. They are using their intuitions, or you have to use your intuitions, okay, but just you need to see the perspective from the other point of view too, because they are watching a perspective. There is always a better way, okay, so they are watching the things from a different perspective. So these are the messages from this deck. Let me see what are the blockages in your twin flame journey. What are the blockages? Help me out to deliver. What are the blockages in twin flame journey for this reading? What are the, see, wounded masculine or the feminine? There is someone who is wounded, either wounded masculine or the divine feminine. Let me see what are the blockages for this reading. See, again, change your perspective. You need to change your perspective here. Again, the same message is here. What is the blockage for this reading? Give me the messages for this reading. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? What are the blockages? Help me out. Overthinker. And this was the same message which I got in divine feminine's reading too. So someone is overthinker here, okay, someone thinks a lot. Overthinker is here, either divine masculine or the divine feminine, but someone thinks a lot. Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having insecure. Drama queen, confused and stuck. So this is for divine feminines. Okay, you are the drama queen, you are confused and stuck. Don't be in this energy of confused and stuck. Okay, get out of this energy of confused and stuck. And there is, here I'm having businessman or woman. So there is a businessman or woman who is here. There is less self-worth. Okay, less self-worth and false love. Maybe they are dealing with the karmic one here, because there is a workaholic. So someone is very workaholic here, who is a businessman here. And there is low self-worth, which is the blockage here. So you need to work on these blockages. Okay, low self-worth. And there is someone who is dealing with the false love. This is someone who is dealing with the karmic one, either divine masculine or the divine feminines. Okay, there is businessman or business woman, and there is someone who is very workaholic. You need to change your perspective because you are overthinking the things. So these are the blockages which is there in your reading. Let me add, where is my deck? Where is my deck? Okay, here I use it. Let me read it. Let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, what are the signs? What are the signs which you may be dealing with? Let's see. What are the signs? What are the signs? Okay. What are the signs which they are dealing with? There can be a Virgo here which you are dealing with. There is a Scorpio, Pisces, a Leo, any other sign. There can be a Libra here. There can be an Aquarius. Okay, that's it. So these are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, Libra and Aquarius, Virgo, Scorpio, Leo and Pisces. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. So this was your reading. This was your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, and the next steps which they want to take. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. You need to change your perspective. Okay, see the things from a different perspective. Change your perspective here. The same messages here. Change your perspective. And someone is very overthinking, so stop overthinking. So these are the messages. Sending you lots of love, healing light to everyone who is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.